Back to Cody.
Been over, then I murder. Call gunner if you want your burger. Oh, baby, you be lying in your verses. I be here and say you buying them purses. I can't even lie.
Get in.
What do you mean get in?
Get in. You're getting in this, whether you like it or not.
I'm doing it!
All right, now just collapse your knees.
Close it.
Oh,
I'm good.
send me out. See ya.
You're going, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. How'd that feel?
Oh my God. No, not my dishwasher. Not my dishwasher. Not my dishwasher. Oh, that was cool. These guys just pulled up and they started yelling at us. Turned back around and was like, hey, big fan.
Remake your favorite TikTok. Go.
We're gonna figure out if he can open this.
It's impossible. You can. That was tough. That was tough. Okay, so the weirdest thing just happened. Me and my brother were upstairs. We looked out the window because we heard someone honking, and it was somebody in a car. It was like one of the ones Cody was wearing the other day. It was just like a normal like mask, but he also had white gloves. It was weird, and then just left this.
Did you call the cops?
No.
If that man comes back, I will call the police. What'd you do with the cookie?
What does this cookie know that we don't? What if it has the roan?
Is it a Subway cookie?
Yeah.
What's up?
Eat it. Happy birthday. Got you a cookie.
Happy birthday. Why'd you go to Subway? Happy birthday.
Yeah, I didn't.
Call the police.
You did something to us. Dude, it smells really good though.
That was the cookie that the stranger left on our.
No. This isn't funny. You're just starting. You think this is funny? I have a pizza for you.
Pizza. Pizza time.
Pizza Delay Parade. Here.
Hey. Hey.
Been over, then I murder. Call gunner if you want your burger. Oh, baby, you be lying in your verses. I be here and say you buying them purses.
Why'd you break our toilet?
Because I flushed it and it broke.
Why you folding it? You don't need to fold it.